Wahase ena me the story bremo say Kennedy Japan abo Nana B din say Nana B ene ne yere wo mo A2 Galamsey. Subsequently me the story bremo say NDC for wo mo youth a year wing wo mo so a year press conference call for special prosecutor NCID say ye investigate Nana B na ye chilling too respectively. And while the next day, Betram was Nana B was your senior in school. Into the next day, Nana B in the Facebook page so what they presser, what Betron send be at all or Eka say, well, no Nana B, Wakwa share a year Kennedy Japan and the evidence Ama Kennedy Japan. Ama Kennedy Japan, Siciano, one no who said Nana B, and then the crack 1 year Galamsey. When I reported on that, a lot of people came to comment under the post. Now Grofo say a fake news. Kennedy Japan went by Bonting and Bekind to Womu de Woman believe it. Me tremble say Meno Ewa Hase no. There's not a day I made the fake news at Bremoda. Every news I made the baby I don't say Eyana Enyam buy, but later I will say na Banafin Grofo who say melodies kind. I have an audio here of Kennedy Japan admitting say yes. And it will be and our Becca Kennedy Japan and the Pakone the list ever share Kennedy Japan and son of MPP Penuphobia. Womode womo ashe Galamsey mu and the paku ya wa the list ebe share Kennedy Japan nsa no wono nso ye MPP executive and so Kennedy Japan believed it se mo kaya me ka kire mo say ensema ya Kennedy Japan ka fan krofo ho e wo social media na no most of them if you say we are putting it to test obehu say most of them will come out say sansema Kennedy Japan e kan ya say been previous and the creanim me can na go food di matem say oh they won't pick Kennedy Japan and say won't pick Kennedy Japan and yes me pen say mo but share some Kennedy Japan what they are to ja ya testing we've helped those matters are you holding accountable be who say dabi okuja to abrakwa ne yewen sema wo kan endra we held it to test and who say dabi and as Galamsey sema wo kan and then and I go see what quarter wo patch also enya ne kra ensema wo de to announce and then Nana B so dia worker whoa I tell you say ewo Kennedy Japan and kasa ne conviction so no ensema wo de to ja no eye ne kra but enya Kennedy Japan wan kasa ele koye investigation no eye nkrofo bi na de nsem ne bre no say Kennedy Japan the way NAC but because Kennedy Japan believes in the sources are de nsem ne bre ne nti no so afa asem no de nam and then Nana B dia no Kennedy Japan aba bonten aba be explaining how or no Kennedy Japan no got to know say indeed a yentro any etwa to Nana B so explanation of money was the MPP ni bi executive bi and I say yoko CZ the excavator na yoko CZ the excavator no and I ba MPP for main headquarters so and not trouble say oh maybe MPP executive will crow we so and I'm about to CZ the excavator it will be who Nana B MPP ni na season the excavator no na oye I think executive MPP executive for be youth organizer it will be who Nana B who is the national organizer esu chair Nana B say Nana B say na e say Nana B so nipa kono MPP ni a wo pese wo ke bi man ni nti Nana B e ko kama nipa kro no e ma nipa kro no ni excavator ye season ye no ye release ma no e kwa wo say Nkrofo atro Nana B din say ene Nana B ka excavator ho because o mehu say Nana B ye Galamsey because o mehu say wakwa akoka amobi ama ye release excavator ma nipa kro no enti ho aye de Nana B din aka ho say Nana B nti that was the explanation at Kennedy Japan emae enti aho ena nipa ko ne de list ne break Kennedy Japan so because the person knows said Kennedy Japan is passionate about this Galamsey thing no Kennedy Japan didn't verify from Nana B and one on so wakoti na radio so and I was saying Nana B din inti enye say Nana B and e ba bonten e ma Kennedy Japan be friend nipa kro no and Nana B no on conference call and sana Kennedy Japan ehu assembly ne kra nanka aptelende you and I nanka we still believe say Nana B is involved in Galamsey but you see how Kennedy Japan came on radio and spoiled Nana B's name say what was any de bia me ka tremo hwe me wo ye ka asemo a eya muntie I keep telling you guys these things. Say the way Kennedy Japan goes about things, we better not radio so no we can send fan for no. Hey, it is no good for this country. And yo, son and daughter, Okuja to black no. And a Kennedy Japan better not TV show and here document. Say hey, Messi Messi a black Okuja to black one year on also time no woman scholarship and drag. Your question is say Okuja to black one year crano, your friend Messi, your friend Noella. Eh? And Kennedy Japan has done this to a lot of people. And people believe him every time. People believe him left, right, center. You could go to some Kennedy Japan kai wako Oman Femendra and a wako Kasai. Now I feel say Kennedy Japan was supposed to come out to apologize to Nana B. But Oberhone say yes, ego won't cry because the word apology need there one man. He just came to explain how he came out to bash Nana B because Obi and the bed that were no Kennedy Japan. No, you go to Imbra.
Central Deputy Youth Organizer, Edino.
Okay.
So I called. I spoke to him. And one who catch him say, Nana B no moji ni excavator ukutia sika ansa no woji. Enti nanu me born Nana B din ene no buy. So no abo yem frɛ fatu speaker. We frɛ national organizer. Ti Nana B frɛ no wa amfa. Ena national organizer Sami Ogu edi ni phone efre.
Okay.
On friend no sa frɛ youth organizer regional youth organizer or do mjina line so. And also honorable Kennedy Japan e wo line so. Osi na no wo si udi sika ma nipa asumasi. E wa anu wakati line.
On one FM. Wakati line no?
Wakati line.
Because
we did try to Nana B so.
Okay.
Me kan nyina me ma
on one FM.
Na niema ade ne ye kan ne say. Ufu say excavators nkwa na ye problem. But our party people our local so are deeply involved. Enti oba yakwachiri machine no na waba party youth organizer na say organizer organizer na me machine ayi na omu pese omu sampa me ye party ni okofre ema no pe a na odo di ni din enam yeah me say enne me akasa enye obi say because na me bu afu na bi nti me ma no obai ena me de ni file e kire no so we call the guy
say obwa
on ka kire me say bomidin me youth organizer ni pasumasi ewo Amemfi Central bomidin say Nana B Jimmy Sikase efe ya the two speaker no na wakati no
obwa
precisely so unti party no yenhwe ni yie yeni ankasa galamsey no senia ye dey say you know emwaye na ukwa mining areas no senia ebufuo si show. They are not doing the right thing, but they think they are doing the right thing because we a party for. Now we now the culture obi say o me ye person identify as am me party ni enti ye muawa then odi nipa no so din enam. This is what is happening.
Yeah.
Enti me dey galamsey some dey ham ye. Say ye timi astopu galamsey nuama no a akufu adokura nka obi a ni ho a obekwa ayi say chese osori anopa no nan no okudi line mu a wonim say wato aba ma party papa bi ama president papa bi aba ema no ho ato no.
So that is Kennedy Japan. What describe it senior nipa krono edi information e brand say Nana B kra no wo ye galamsey. Na later wo moko find out say nipa krono intro and a wo twa to Nana B so. So the question I want to ask you all and say imagine say nanka Nana B wamba bonten ankwanko hu Kennedy Japan e woni fie anka say Kennedy Japan mesre wo nipa ko a wodi information ne ba no mesre wo de ma yen frɛ no a Kennedy Japan mo anfrɛ nipa ko no e ma wo mo hu asem ne kra nanka you and I nanka don't we believe say Nana B nanka oye galamsey ana. Yesterday I made you guys understand say to the point that even NDC for ebetro hon krata not to say intro and NDC because Kennedy Japan beka ye nti no NDC even believed it. Emma wo tro hon krata say yenchi Nana B ntum. But today Kennedy Japan, the same Kennedy Japan is coming out to say as Nana B be hu na wo try say wo test the mark and wo hu say assembly plan e yentro na wo bi etwa to Nana B so the only question I'm asking nanka Nana B and Bambo say wo be claim the din anko provide evidence to Kennedy Japan nanka you and I nanka still don't we believe say Nana B nanka oye galamsey ana nanka we still believe nanka still nanka you believe say Nana B still oye galamsey. You see how it is? Every day I say these things. Me trouble say me no maintain Kennedy Japan but send me what this sensitive information be etu dwano e was say yetumi eka upo obi asem a na wo kana asem upo obi asem a na wo kana asem se sa na eti a wo my way mu no ye de krono kase ebeto nkrofo so saa without even hearing the side of the other people. And I keep saying this. They be American assemble bonting to show say they not American they not American but you still get people come insult me under the post in the name say they support Kennedy Japan. If you support Kennedy Japan, tell him the truth. Wait, like I was saying, Kennedy Japan, say, wait there, I am accepting responsibility. I am apologizing to Nana B because ye the assembly brain say Nana B wo ye galamsey no, like I was saying, me share assembly mu no kre ansa na meba radio so and ansa na meba TV so aba beka. But you see how Kennedy Japan is saying, or the show will be say will be the betran trophy Nana B ho nti ne ba kunu betran trophy Nana B ho no, wo Kennedy Japan then na wo ye ya wo de hu say sa asem no eyentro. That means you are a fan of that. Your information you don't check. No about bonting him. Now would good ni so. Later I'll check in intro. Okuja to black one no so sa. You the one check it. Uhu edi mercy a black one. You didn't even Google to see say Okuja to black one your friend mercy a black one. You didn't even check that. One or better than the two so him and the Okuja to black one one also get fan ni bi embra na okujato eyewe endra enyeme na me de sa video ne ba ya na ko bia ebo okujato abla akwadin. You see mimi obia we obia wa follow me channel no for a very long time obo hu ne say even asofo wo mo kasa I hold them accountable. Number wa ha say and asofo nkom sha wo mo hye ye embra ye be 2019 mu ni nia me de ba Ghana asofo bi ani wa wo pa 50% ho kra na just ensema wo mo kan na busrimuka. So me as far as people are public officials no I will hold them accountable on the things they say. Yesterday I held President Mahama accountable on the same day one so e kan ye nia ye hu said Dabi Mahama wasn't truthful. So as far as me wo hon kun ade ngofo kasa de asem etudwa I will bring out the other side na Ghana for yensu ye hunu kre no. When I reported on this thing first say Nana B ababonti be people told me it was fake news because I said Nana B ye me senior auntie ngofo say you want to defend Nana B what Kennedy Japan said is true. Nana B is a galamsey kingpin. Today, I have brought you the audio of Kennedy Japan himself explaining how he got to know. Say yes, Nana B ye galamsey. Emma Kennedy Japan and kasa can say yentro any chato Nana B so. Don't share my comment box ni mo me da say.